How's it going, everybody? I decided to record another song. I haven't put a song up in a while, and I wanted to put another new song out, something new for me. But here it goes. It goes a little something like this. Hopefully you guys like it. Here it goes. Well, I know you loved him a long time ago. Even now in my arms, you still want him, I know. But darling, this time, let your memories die. When you hold me tonight, don't close your eyes, and don't close your eyes and let it be me. Don't pretend it's him in some fantasy. Darling, just once let yesterday go. You'll find more love than you've ever known. Just hold me tight when you love me tonight. Don't close your eyes. That was Don't Close Your Eyes. Hopefully you guys liked it. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.